Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to contact Google One support. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to contact Google One support here and get assistance on, let's just say, a problem you're having right now or issues, well, this one is kind of complicated. Now, by default, if you're not familiar yet, before with Google One, you should see if you're in your dashboard. So that's like one google.one.com. So if you're there, you should see a support at the or support option at the left side. But the thing with this one is they actually updated the dashboard and you won't be able to see the support option. Now, the next thing that you need to do here is you need to access what we call the support dashboard. So that's support.google.com. So this is where you could get assistance on certain apps within the Google ecosystem. Now, in some cases, if you go here, you should see Google One listed in here. But for some reason or in some weird way, Google One is not directly listed. So if that's the case, you don't see Google One, just go to Google here, search for Google One support, and you should see the Google Help link here. It's still support.google.com, but you should see Google One Help. So if you click on it, it should redirect you to the help page. And if you scroll down a bit here, you should be able to see the contact support option. But in some cases, depending on where you are, the option for you to contact support may not be available there. So if that's the case, you may need to just post something in their help community. Now, the great thing about the help community here is that if you post something, so as you can see, I can post a question myself, but in this case, if you post a question, sometimes a representative from Google themselves would actually reply to one of your questions, and if they do reply, that should make a huge difference. Although you're not directly contacting Google support, well, still you're getting assistance from somewhere affiliated with Google, or at least with Google One. But just to give some idea here, if you do have a plan or a current plan right now, so if you have like a plan right now with Google One, usually you should see the contact us. As you can see right now, it automatically detects that we need assistance on our Google One account. You go and click on contact us, and from then on, you can go ahead and just fill out the entire details here. What do you need assistance with? Let's just say this is going to be our storage. Click on next. And let's go and click on the option here that says storage not available after purchase. Let's go and click on next step. Resources, let's go and click on next step. And it should give you the contact options. Now you could either click on the get a call, so they will call you. If you want to chat with them, you could go and click on chat. And you could go and use email as well if you want to interact with them via email. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.